Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the case and turning the phone off so nothing shifts. Clean the screen with an alcohol wipe, then a microfiber cloth to remove oils. This improves adhesion. Once done, use a dust removal sticker or a piece of tape across the screen to pick up tiny particles. Make sure to do this in a low-air environment. Even a single speck will create a permanent bubble. Finally, dry and visually align the protector to the curved edges. You peel back only 1/3 to 1/2 of the protector backing, so it won't attract dust mid-application. Next, hinge tape the peeled edge to the phone or a makeshift card to lock alignment. This prevents sideways shifts. Hold the free edge, align holes and curved edges, then lower the protector slowly from one side toward the other. As it settles, press the center to start adhesion, then use a squeegee or card to push air outward for a clean contact. You now focus on sealing and troubleshooting. Use a squeegee or credit card wrapped in microfiber to push any remaining bubbles toward the nearest edge. Tiny bubbles usually dissipate within a day or two. Firmly press the protector's curved edges so adhesive bonds fully. This prevents peeling. If you spot a stubborn dust particle causing a visible bump, lift the protector at the hinge. Use tape to remove the speck, then lower and re-squeegee. This avoids replacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.